Determine the type of number that the solutions of x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0 will be. Now this does not tell us to solve the equation, it just tells us to determine the type of number that the solutions will be. In other words, we're looking to see if it's going to be real or imaginary, and we can tell that by looking at the discriminant in the quadratic formula. The discriminant is the expression under the radical sign, which is b squared minus 4ac. In this quadratic equation, b is 2, so that would be 2 squared, minus 4 times a is 1, and c is 5. So that would give us 4 minus 20, which is negative 16. Now all we have to do is to tell what the type of number is look at this number here. Since we have negative 16, we're going to be looking at the square root of a negative number, which will give us imaginary solutions. So we can say that we will have 2 imaginary solutions.